Hey guys, my name is Kwame. I'm a blockchain game developer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Stacks Web3GL set up. Yes folks, you heard it first. You can now build games on Unity and connect to Bitcoin Layer2s now. So I'm just going to go over how you set this up. It's kind of just like a Unity package and you kind of drag and drop it in. I'm going to make some other videos on that, but this is just more of a kind of show you how this actually works. So when you're in Unity here, just build a project like you normally would. In your player settings, I'm going to drag this over inside of the player. And inside of your resolution and presentation, this is after you've switched your project over to being a WebGL project. You'll see in the resolution and presentation area, there's a Stacks WebGL, and this is basically what binds the Stacks RPC to Unity. And there's like a little library file that binds the browser to Unity. And if people are interested in a deeper video of how that actually works, I'll create a video. But for this one, for this video, basically that's it. And then there's a way that these are basically connected. So the first one is that we have a login scene, which has like the bindings and functionality to connect the wallet extension and allow you to do that authentication process. And then just a sample scene, and this would be typically it would be your game scene, right, where your game lives and whatever kind of like interactions with Clarity smart contracts and XYZ. But for today, this is just basically showing you the step-by-step process. So you have your web login scene, which allows you to connect to the Leather wallet extension. Unisat is going to be also supported, but this is where it is right now. And basically you just like build and run, find an area. If you're familiar with building WebGL projects in Unity, this will be pretty straightforward to you. And then we'll just save. I'm going to replace it because I've tested this already. And then this will just basically build out a WebGL project. This can, sometimes take long on the first one, then subsequent ones, they seem to be a lot quicker. Okay, so now that that has come up, we can just click on login. We'll put in our password. And you can see here that we have our wallet extension, and it's a little bit out into the ether there, but there's an address. And if we look at the address here, the SP2MN, and the 7DR2, DR2. So there we have it. The sky's the limit now. Just basically other types of hooks into the Connect SDK, and I'll be building out subsequent videos as I build out more features. That's the beginner, and that's it for me. Bye for now.